Welcome back to another video. The last time we checked out the new blue trail at Cannock Chase, which I'm just at the start of now, but I took just the blue trail all the way through, ignoring the potential red diversions that you can do if you want a bit of a challenge. So today we're just going to be checking out those, and I think our first one should be coming up in the next 50 or 100 meters. So this is what they look like. As you're riding the blue trail, you'll see these red signs that you can take. So let's give it a go. You're going to want to come in with a bit of speed, I think, just to help you get over that first bit. And just be careful with where you're placing your pedals, because it's very easy to pedal strike on those, I think. And I have no idea what the rest of this section entails. In fact, it actually looks like this might just be the old trail called Twist and Shout. So I think what they've done is just place sort of a qualifier at the start of that section, and it looks like they're going to keep this bit sort of rough and ready to try and increase the challenge of it a bit. But yeah, apart from that starting bit, this section is the same, so if you've done Follow the Dog before, this will look very familiar. So if you're carrying along the blue trail, then you'll get to this diversion, which again looks like more rock gardens. Nothing too tricky. If you've got a capable bike and a bit of experience with rough ground, then you'll be fine. Okay, so we're at the last diversion here, which is this red uphill rock garden. Looks kind of tricky. Yes! Woo! God, that is tough. I think the trick is just to really nail your weight distribution, so lifting your front wheel up to get over and then moving it forward so that you can get your back wheel up. But that's tricky. There's nothing really like that around here. There is no technical climbing on the dogs, so yeah, I like it. Fun little challenge. Anyway, as I said, that was the last one, so thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one.